Number 31. Pangolins are mammals. One species of pangolin has 40 chromosomes per body cell. How many chromosomes will a sperm cell from this species of pangolin have? Okay, so it says there are 40 chromosomes in a body cell, which means its diploid number is 40. So diploid is 2n. So there are 40 chromosomes. And which means there are 20 chromosomes. Oops. The 20 chromosomes in pairs. Okay. In a sperm cells are gametes, sex cells, and they are haploids, which means they have not a pairs of chromosomes. They don't have pairs of chromosomes, but they have singlets of chromosomes. So, which means they have 20 chromosomes. Hence, the answer should be B.